Hi, welcome to Ask AD, and this week I'm going to be reviewing the new Blitz boot from the Tradez range from Buckler. Okay, so thanks to the guys from Buckler for sending over these fantastic new super lightweight boots. And this is from a brand new range called the Tradez range. And this particular boot here, it comes in 3 different colours. It comes in a honey, it comes in a brown, it also comes in a black. And they're all in this like suede type finish. So basically what Buckler are trying to do here is come up with a brand new an innovative sort of design that is extremely lightweight. It's based around being lightweight and comfortable, and it's really targeting that industry like light engineering, warehousing, utilities, that sort of thing, where you're going to be on your feet all day and you don't want to be carrying around something really clumpy and heavy. Okay, so it's absolutely packed full of features, but this new Tradez range is something new that these guys are doing. So it's basically going to target each sector. So let's look at this particular boot. So like I said already, light engineering, maintenance, warehousing, something where you're going to be on your feet all day. So you're looking for all day comfort, you're looking for something that's completely lightweight, and this is really ticks so many boxes, got all of these different features and loads of safety features as well. Okay, so basic, let's look at this boot. Basic safety protection that we have on this is a toe cap and a midsole. Added bonus to that, there's no metal in this at all, so it's completely metal free. Now the top lining on this boot is 100% waterproof, okay? So if you go outside, no problem at all. This is waterproof and it's breathable, and it's got a little waterproof tag on there, so it's S3 rated. Okay, it's got Achilles protection around the back here. It's got this unusual sort of like plastic cap over the front with this pattern on here and on the back there to match. Pretty stylish. I actually like that. I think it looks really good. Plenty of stitching across there, triple stitched, making sure that's well bonded to the actual fabric of the boot there as well. And also, again, which we see on so many boots, where we've wrapped the sole unit right the way around the front there, giving that extra protection. So on a weak spot on a boot, where the boot would come up away from the sole unit there, from the top to the bottom. So we're wrapping that around the front there, so if you end up kicking a pallet or something, it's not going to split it. Now this also has got an incredibly comfortable cushion liner inside here. Let me just grab this out. So this is the insole. So you've got a really springy insole there with the anti-static discharge across the front. Easy to remove that if you need to and replace. Buckler do plenty of insoles there, so you can change these if you need to. And also, again, got plenty of padding around the cuff there. The toe is stitched right up to this point here as well, so you know if you are in water, it's not going to ingress and get your socks wet. So underneath here we've got a slip resistant, non-marking cleated sole unit there as well. It's nice and low profile, it's not going to pick up too much debris, ideal for walking around in a warehouse all day long. So flipping back over, let's go through the ratings of this boot. So we've got SB, toe cap protection on the front there. We've got a non-metallic non-penetrative sole unit in there as well, midsole, so if you stand on a nail or anything sharp, it's not going to go through that at all. We've got the energy absorbing sole unit in there as well in the heel, thermoplastic moulded front and a rear protection on the boot, super cushioning inside it, lightweight. It's basically going to cover you for all sorts of trades. And so not only does it come in honey, it also comes in the brown as well, which I think is going to be super popular. I think that's going to be a personal favourite. I've seen the black as well. So if you want to get your hands on a pair of these, have a look in the description below. I'll put some links there of places you can buy these as and when they're released. And so yeah, this is the Blitz boot from the Tradez range from Buckler Safety Boots.
For more great reviews, blogs and free stuff, visit askad.com. To subscribe to our YouTube channel, click here, and for more videos, click here.